Today, I will be going through the Raffles Girls Primary School end of year exam 2020 for Primary 4. I'll only be going through the question that my student gotten it wrong. So without further ado, let me just quickly go to the question. Okay, the first question I'll go through is question 3. It says that find the length of the square. So this square that you have it here, right? 64 cm square. 64 cm square is the perimeter or the area?
Area.
Area, right? So area, that means the length of this. Let's call it L. Multiply by L. This is also L because it's a square. A square, the four sides are all equal. So both are L. So L multiplied by L equal to 64. Well, what do you think L is?
Mm. 64 cm square.
No, L is not 64 cm square. L square equal to 64. So L equal to?
L equal to 64 divided by 2.
No. L is not 64 divided by 2. L is? What number times itself give you 64? Which number multiplied by itself equal to 64? There are 4 numbers here. So which number multiplied by itself equal to 64?
8.
8. So L equal to 8. Because L is equal to square root of 64. Okay, so answer is 1. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, question 10. Which one of the following has 1/8 of the figure shaded? Which one has 1/8 shaded? For part 1, how many parts is shaded?
Part 1 is 1 part.
1 part, but how many parts are there here?
4.
You count. How many parts are there here?
6.
6, right? So 1 part is shaded. So what is the fraction that's shaded? What is the fraction that's shaded for part 1?
6/1.
No.
6/5.
No.
1/6.
1/6 is shaded. You understand why?
Yes.
How about part 2? How many parts is shaded?
8.
There are 8 parts. So how many parts is shaded?
1/8.
1/8. How about number 3? What is the fraction that's shaded?
9/2.
Nope.
2/9.
2/9. Now you understand the concept of fraction, no?
Yes.
For part 4, what is the fraction that's shaded?
7/8.
7/8 is shaded. Very good. You got it now. Okay, you understand now? So for number 10, what is the correct answer?
Number 2.
Number 2. Okay, you got it now?
Yes.
Okay. 11. The figure is made up of a square of sides 4 cm and a rectangle with a breadth 9 cm. The perimeter of the figure is 64 cm. Find the length of the rectangle. Okay, what do you think is the length? What's the strategy to find the length?
64 minus 16.
No. Okay, let's examine now. What is this length here?
4.
4. What is this length here?
9.
9. Okay. So this length plus this length plus this length plus this length plus this length and this length equal to what?
18.
Okay, you see, it's equal to 64. Let's call this length. This is 4. This length here is, let's call it X. This length, let's call it L. You agree 9 plus L plus 9 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus X equal to 64. Do you agree? Do you agree?
No.
Yeah, yes or why not? Parameter,
Oh, yes.
parameter is 64.
Yes.
Okay, L plus X is equal to 64 minus 9 minus 9 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4. Do you agree? Yes or no? Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes, right? So 64 minus 9 minus 9 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 equal to 34. L plus X is 34. Okay? X you don't know, but X plus 4 is L. Can I see X plus 4 is L? Can I see 2L is 38?
Yes.
Do you understand why? Do you understand
Yes.
why 2L is 38? Because X plus 4 is L. X plus 4 is L. You understand, no?
Yeah.
So L equal to 38 divided by 2. What's the answer? 38 divided by 2 equal to 19. So answer is 3. Okay?
Okay.
You understand, no?
Yeah.
Okay, 13. A square piece of paper is folded as shown. Find angle A. So what is angle A? This angle here, what is this angle here?
90 degree.
This angle here is also A. Because this angle is A, this angle must be A. Understand?
Yes.
So 2A plus 64 equal to how many degrees?
Oh,
2A plus 64 equal to
90 minus 64 equals 26. Then 26 divided by 2 equals 13.
yes, very good.
I never divided by 2.
Yes. This is a very common question in exam. Okay, 14. There are some buttons in a jar. The number of green buttons is 3 times the number of blue buttons. The number of blue buttons is 2 times the number of red buttons. There are 32 blue buttons. How many more green buttons than red buttons are there? So how many colors are there?
Oh,
Colors. How many colors are there?
3.
3, right? You have green, you have blue, you have red. So this question, you have to draw a model. So the number of green buttons is 3 times the number of blue buttons. Number of green buttons is 3 times the number of blue buttons. And the number of blue buttons is 2 times red buttons. So you understand why the model is drawn like that?
Yes.
Yes, right? Then they say that there are 32 blue buttons. So 2 units is 32. If 2 units is 32, right? 1 unit is
1 unit is 32 divided by 2.
equal to 16. Okay, 1 unit is 16. 6 unit
Okay.
equal to
16 times 6.
16 times 6. You have how many? You have 96. Okay, the multiplication I won't do with you already. That is assumed knowledge by now. Okay, 16 times 6. Then how many more green buttons than red buttons are there? 5 units, right? 5 units equal to 16 times 5 equal to 80. You know why 5 units, right?
Yes.
Because green has 5 units more than red. So answer is 80. Okay, get it now?
Okay.
$15. Bala wants to buy a pair of sneakers. The price of the pair of sneakers can be divided by 379. What is the lowest possible price of the pair of sneakers? So what is the multiple of 3?
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 20, 24, 20, 27, 30.
Okay. How about multiples of 7?
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 54, 63, 72.
49, 56,
56.
63, 70. How about multiples of 9?
9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90.
Okay. 7 times 9 is 63. Is 63 divisible by 3? Is 63 divisible by 3?
Yes.
Yes, right? Okay. So the answer is
3.
the answer is 63. Okay.
Okay.
Because 63 divisible by 3 also. All right.
Okay.
Okay, this one you just use projector and measure. You know how to measure, right?
Yeah.
This one is more than 90 degrees. So you have to read your projector, right, from here. From here. Then you see here. Read from here. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
So you read, you will get the answer already. You read correctly, you get the answer already. Okay?
Okay.
So 19 is 153 lah. If you read correctly.
Okay.
Okay, 20. What is this value? What is 1 whole minus 1 over 8?
7 over 8.
So 7 over 8 minus half what you have?
7 over 4.
Nope, 7 over 8 minus 4 over 8. Half need to change to 4 over 8. Then this answer is
3 over 8.
3 over 8. Okay, the answer is 3 over 8. Okay, get it?
Okay.
Okay, next question. 4.8 minus 0.23. You know how to do this question?
Yeah. 4.8 minus 0.23.
4.8, you change it to 4.80. The decimal point must be aligned. Okay, this one you do per normal. 0 minus 3, what must you do?
0 minus 3 equals 3.
No. 0 minus 3 is not equal to 3. Yeah? You borrow from the 8. Huh? You understand borrow? You've done this before, right?
I thought decimal cannot borrow.
Can. Who say cannot borrow? Huh? Who say cannot borrow? Can borrow. Your school teacher say cannot borrow. Your school teacher tell you cannot borrow.
I think so.
Who told you cannot borrow? Can borrow. Same concept. So 10 minus 3 is
10 minus 3 equals 7.
7. 7 minus 2.
5.
4 minus 0.
4.
Decimal point, same place. The answer is 4.57. So you understand the concept now?
Yes.
Because you see 4.8, right? You don't just write 4.8. You write 4.80 because there are two decimal places. Because the decimal must be aligned. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, 26. The table shows the different types of cupcakes sold by Mrs. Lee. She sold 34 fewer vanilla cupcakes than chocolate cupcakes. How many cupcakes did Mrs. Lee sell altogether? So chocolate cupcakes, how many chocolate cupcakes she sell? Chocolate and vanilla, which one has more? Chocolate and
Chocolate.
vanilla. Chocolate has more, right?
Yeah.
So chocolate has how many more?
34 more.
So you know how to find number of chocolate cupcakes?
Yes.
What must you do?
You need to take chocolate cupcakes minus 34.
Why don't you use 34 plus vanilla?
Okay.
34 plus 52. You know why?
No.
Because chocolate has 34 more.
Okay.
Chocolate has 34 more, right? Although it says here 34 fewer vanilla cupcakes than chocolate cupcakes. That means chocolate has 34 more. 34 more than vanilla. You understand the concept?
Yes.
Important concept. Then chocolate equal to 34 plus 52. What's the answer?
80. 86.
86. Good. So how many cupcakes she sell altogether? What must you do
86.
altogether?
Plus of everything together.
So the answer is
86 plus 52 plus 39.
and the answer is you add now and tell me what's the answer.
One cent.
177. Very good. Okay, so answer is 177. Okay,
Okay.
okay, 27. 4 tables, 6 chairs cost 240. 4 table, 6 chair cost 240. 7 table, 6 chair cost 540 and 90 cents. So can you tell me 3 table cost how much?
3 table costs.
One shot you can find 3 table. You think for a moment and tell me how to find 3 table in one step.
240 minus 6 chairs.
No. You see, this bowl 4 has 6 chairs, right?
Yeah.
So if I use 540 and 90 cents minus 240, you have 3 tables. Correct? Because I minus off the 6 chairs inside already.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So what's the answer? This one I minus off, what's the answer?
130.
No. Okay, let's do together. 540 and 90 cents minus 240. 240 is 0.00. Okay, this one what's the answer?
Put 0
This one?
and then 9.
This one?
9, 0, 0, 3.
So 390 cents.
Okay.
3 tables cost 390 cents. So 1 table costs
1 table cost divided by 3.
390 cents divided by 3. What's the answer? $390 divided by 3. What's the answer?
100.30.
Yes, 130 cents. Okay. Understand?
Okay.
Okay, 28. Rita bought her movie ticket at 11:35 a.m. in the morning. After 30 minutes, the movie started. Okay. The movie ended at 2:25 p.m. How long was the movie? So what time the movie start? What time does the movie start? You know what to do?
11:35 plus 30 minutes equals 12:05. The movie started at 12:05.
Okay, movie start at 12:05, right? Movie end at 2:25. So how long is the movie? $2.25 you can convert to 24 hours. 2.25 is 24 hours is what? 14.25. Oh, you understand the concept of 24 hours?
Yeah.
So for 14.25, how long is the movie?
12:05. 14:25 minus 12:05.
The answer is
2 hours 20 minutes.
2 hours, 20 minutes. Okay?
Okay.
Understand? Okay, 29. PQRS is a rectangle. Angle Y is twice the size of angle X. Find angle Y. Do you agree angle Y equal to 2x? Because angle Y is twice the size of angle X. Right? 2 times X. Do you agree? Y is 2x?
Yes.
2x, right? So this 2x, this x. So altogether here is 3x. So understand?
Okay.
So 3x
Yes.
equal to 90 degrees. X equal to how many?
X equals
Okay, understand?
Okay.
You understand why 90 divided by 3 is x, or?
Yes.
Because 3x means 3 times x. 3 multiplied by x.
Okay.
So x is 90 divided by 3 equal to 30. So y equal to y equal to
Y
2x, right?
equals to 30 times 2.
Yes, 60 degree. Okay, get it?
Okay.
Okay, 30. The figure below, the figure shown is made up of square A and rectangle B. Square A has side 5 cm and rectangle B has breadth 7 cm. The total area of the figure is 137 cm square. What is the length of the rectangle? Can you tell me what's the area of square A?
Area where A is 5 times 5.
That's equal to 5 times 5 equal to
25.
25. Can you tell me what's the area of rectangle B?
Um, 137 minus 25
Very good. So 137 minus 25, what do you have? You work
equals
out and you tell me what's the answer?
112.
112. So area of rectangle B is 112. What is the breadth of rectangle B?
7.
7. Can you tell me how to find the length of rectangle B?
112 divided by 7.
Very good. So what's the answer you have? 112 divided by 7. You do the division and tell me what answer you have.
16.
16. Very good. So what is the length of the rectangle?
16.
16 centimeters. Okay.
Okay.
Not so hard, right? This question.
No.
Okay, next question. $34. Okay, Ming Ming bought 7 rulers and a notebook for $6.60. A ruler costs $1 less than a notebook. How much did each ruler cost? Okay,
Okay.
7 rulers, right?
Yeah.
Ruler costs how much? $1 less than a notebook, right?
Yeah.
N for notebook, or NB for notebook.
Okay.
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 Oh, 7 rulers.
Okay.
1 unit is 1 ruler. And this is also 1
Okay.
unit. And this is my $1. So 7 rulers and a notebook is 660. Now can you tell me how much does a ruler cost? What must you do? From the model, you can tell that what
A
must you
ruler costs
do to find the cost of 1 ruler?
divide.
Oh, you understand how I get this?
Yeah.
So 8 units equal to
8 units equals to 660 divided by 8.
no equal to 660 minus 1.
Oh,
Oh, understand?
yes.
How you understand my solution?
Yes.
Yes, can you explain to me why? Why is it 70 cents?
Because 1 unit. One unit divided by 8 equals 70 cents.
Because 560 divided by 8 is 70 cents. Can I explain how I get 560? How come 8 unit is 560?
6.60 minus $1.
Correct, it's 560. Can I explain why did I minus the $1?
Because it's $1 less than the notebook.
Yeah. Because notebook is $1 more than the ruler. And 7 rulers and 1 notebook is 660. So the notebook, instead of seeing it as a notebook, is actually 1 ruler and $1. Therefore, it's 8 units and $1. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, 35. Both Sean and Sally are above 10 years old. Sean is 6 years younger than Sally right now. If the product of their age is 280, how old is Sally? Okay, this one same thing, draw model. Sean and Sally, yeah. Huh? Understand?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So 1 unit multiplied by 1 unit plus 6 is equal to 280.
Okay.
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 And 14 times 20 equal to 280. Can you see that?
Yes.
Okay. 14 times 20 is 280, yeah.
Okay.
So 1 unit is 14. 1 unit plus 6 equal to 20. How old is Sally? Sally is 20 years old. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, you know what to do on this question?
Yes.
Basically, your multiplication timetable must be at your fingertips. even for 14 timetable. If not, you'll struggle during exam. So 36. Bill had 1050. Mary had 450. Mary gave some money to Bill so that he has $10 more than Mary in the end. How much money did Mary give to Bill? So this one you have to draw model before and after. So B for Bill, M for Mary. 1050, 450. Okay. Then after that, Mary gave some money to Bill, right?
Yeah.
In the end, what happened? Bill had $10 more than Mary, right? Okay, originally, right? Bill had how much more than Mary? $6, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you understand the model drawing? How do you understand the model drawing?
Yes.
You understand all?
Yeah.
Okay, from the model drawing, right, you can see that two of these, right, is equal to 10 minus 6. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So two of this is equal to 4. So one of this is equal to 2. Understand?
Yeah.
So how much money did Mary give to Bill?
Two.
$2. Mary only gave Bill $2. Okay, understand?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
You do believe you can pass out? 450 minus $2 is 250.
okay.
1050 plus $2 is 1250.
12.
So the difference is $10. This how you check in exam. You
Okay.
understand? This is how you check. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, 37. The graph shows the number of siblings primary 4 pupils have. Okay, so how many has 4 siblings? This is 24. Okay, not 22, 24.
Okay.
Because 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, this is 24.
Okay.
So this is 28. This one is 32. This one is 54. Okay, understand?
Understand.
So how many pupils have at least 2 siblings? At least 2 siblings, does it include the pupils that has 2 siblings? I just asked,
32.
not 32, at least 2 siblings.
54.
At least 2 siblings. 32 plus 28 plus 24. Because inclusive of those, there's 3 and 4 siblings. What? At least 2 siblings. Minimum 2 siblings. You know what I mean?
Okay.
At least 2 siblings. So 32 plus 28 plus 24, what's the answer? You add and tell me what's the answer.
84.
84, good. Okay. Okay, question 38. There
Can I
were
go to the
20.
toilet?
Okay, you come back quickly.
Okay.
Yeah, I resume recording. Okay, so now 38. It says that there are 20 pupils at the game station. Some pupils score 4 points and some score 6 points. The total number of points scored by the pupils was 92. How many pupils score 6 points? This one you have to use assumption method. You know what's assumption method?
No.
Because the question asks you to find number of pupils that score 6 points, right? So you assume the opposite direction. Assume all pupils score 4 points. Okay, you assume the opposite direction. Always assume the opposite way. Assume all pupils score 4 points. So the total number of points will be 20 times 4. Oh, understand now? Because there are 20 pupils. Okay. So that's the total points. But the total point is 92. So there's a difference, right?
Yeah.
So the total difference will be 92 minus 80 equal to 12. How about each difference? Each difference would be 6 minus 4 equal to 2. So number of pupils that score 6 points equal to 12 divided by 2 equal to 6. Okay? Understand?
Okay.
The
Yeah.
concept of total difference and each difference, you have to understand. This assumption method. Because in reality, right? In reality, not everyone score 4 points. But you're assuming everybody score 4 points. In reality, they score 92, right?
Yeah.
So you need to minus off what you assume. So you have some difference. Then the difference is because somebody scores 6 points more. Then each difference is 2 points, right? So you need to see how many differences are there. The number of difference is the number of students that score 6 points.
Okay.
Understand now? This question sure come out in exam. So you have to understand and apply this concept of assumption method.
Okay.
Okay? This question I have to redo, like all these questions I have to redo.
Okay.
Okay, 39. According to Mr. Tan's watch, he left home for Malaysia at 8 a.m. His watch was 20 minutes slower than the actual time. Okay? So after driving for 2 hours, 40 minutes, he took a break of 45 minutes at stop A. Then he continued driving for 2 hours, 25 minutes before he reached his destination. How long did he spend driving? Part A, you got it right, so I won't dwell on it.
Okay.
Okay, part A, you got 305 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
So actual time when he reached his destination. Okay, the actual time when he reached his destination, right, will be 8 o'clock plus 20 minutes because his watch is 20 minutes slower than actual time.
Okay.
So you need to plus 20 minutes plus 2 hours, 40 minutes. Okay, plus 45 minutes. The break he took in stop A plus 2 hours, 25 minutes. Oh, you understand this concept?
Yes.
Okay, 8 o'clock plus 20 minutes plus 45 minutes break plus 305 minutes driving. No? You understand? No? You understand this part? No? Do you understand this part?
I didn't hear you. You were lagging.
Okay, do you understand how I get 305 minutes?
Yeah.
Because 305 minutes is the driving, no? Then plus 45 minutes break, plus 20 minutes the lagging in time. Okay, this one will be 8 o'clock plus 370 minutes.
Okay.
How this one add together is 370 minutes.
Okay.
370 minutes, right? Is how many hours? 6 hours. 6 hours, 10 minutes. So 8 o'clock plus 6 hours is 8 plus 6 is 14.
Okay.
14 hours, 10 minutes. That's 2:10 p.m. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, understand now?
Yeah.
Important now.
Okay.
Okay, 40. The mass of a laptop and 5 identical books and a vase is 8.8 kilogram. The mass of 5 such books is 3 kg. And the laptop is 1 kg heavier than 3 such books. What is the mass of 3 books? So you have 1 laptop plus 5 books plus 1 vase, right?
Yeah.
Okay. 5 books
Okay.
is 3 kg, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you understand how I get 3? 5 books is 3.
Yes.
Oh, you understand why 5.8?
Yes.
Okay. Then after that, laptop is 1 kilogram heavier than 3 such books, right? Oh, you understand?
Yes.
Okay, 3/5 is 0.6 kilogram. One book is 0.6 kilogram. So 3 books will be 3 times 0.6 equal to 1.8. So mass of 3 books is 1.8 kilogram. All right. So laptop is 1 kilogram heavier than 3 such books. Huh? Understand?
Yes.
1.8 plus 1, 2.8. Because laptop is 1 kilogram heavier than 3 such books. So this is 2.8 plus 1 vase is 5.8. So 1 vase is 5.8 minus 2.8 equal to 3 kg.
Okay.
Vase is 3 kg. Oh, any question?
No.
You understand now?
Yeah.
You have to redo this question.
Okay.
Redo without looking at solution. Even if I send the video clip to you, you don't look at it now. You only look at it, or if you redo, still got it wrong. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, 41. The length of a piece of cloth is 4 meters long. Siti cut out 3/5 meters of the cloth to make a bag. She gave 1/4 meter of the cloth to her friend. How much longer was the length of cloth used to make the bag than the cloth given to her friend? So the fraction that's indicated here is quantity or fraction.
Quantity.
Quantity, right? Because there's unit there. So the cloth is 3/5 meters. So 1/4 meter to a friend. How much longer? 3/5 minus 1/4.
Okay.
Okay, 7/20 meters long.
Okay.
Right? How much longer? 7/20 meters longer. What was the length of the cloth left? Left, 4 minus 3/5 minus 1/4. Okay, 4 minus 3/5 is 3 2/5.
Okay.
Understand how I get 3 2/5?
Yes.
4 minus 3/5, 3 2/5. This one will be 3 times 5, 15. 15 plus 2, 17.
Okay.
Then same denominator is 20, right? 5 times 4, right? 17 times 4 is 68.
Okay.
68 minus 5, 63/20. 63/20 is 3 3/20 meters. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, understand now?
Yes.
Because the fraction is quantity, so you can just minus off straight away without multiplying by anything. Okay, 42. The figure is divided into a square and 3 different rectangles. What is the area of rectangle X? Okay, this area is this a square?
Yeah.
So can you tell me what's the length of this square?
16 divided by 2.
Nope. What's the length of this square? L times L is 16. So L equal to what number multiplied by itself is 16? What number multiplied by itself is 16? Your multiplication timetable.
Eight.
No. 8 times 8 is not 16, or your multiplication timetable. Which number times which number is 16? What? My son can tell me it's 4. My son next year, primary 1, he can tell me it's 4. Annabelle. You have to back out. My son next year, primary 1, he's not even in primary school. He can tell me it's 4, He can tell me the correct answer,
Oh.
You have to brush up a lot. My son can answer the question I just asked you, My son is not even in primary school now, He's in primary school next year. He can tell me 4 times 4 is 16. You have a lot to brush up, Square root of 16 is 4.
Okay.
Okay, don't worry about what you say. Okay, 4 times 4 is 16. Okay?
Okay.
Or you have to back up where your multiplication timetable is very bad. Okay, now if you know this length is 4, right?
Yeah.
Now tell me what's the length here? The area is 24. And this length is 4. This breadth is 4. So what is the length of this rectangle?
Eight.
Not 8. Not 8. 4 multiplied by what is 24?
Don't know.
So question mark is equal to? Question mark is equal to what?
24.
24 divided by 4. This is my question mark. So 24 divided by 4 equal to?
6.
6. Okay, 24 divided by 4 is 6. Okay, now you have the length. This is 6. Can you tell me what is this length here? Six times L is 48, right? So L is
Yeah.
equal to? L equal to what? L is equal to?
8.
Very good. 8. L is 8. Okay, if you know this is 8, right? So here is 8. And this width is 4. So what's the area of X? What's the area of rectangle
4
X?
times 8.
Equal to? What is 4 times 8?
32.
32. Good. 32 centimeters square. Oh, get it now?
Yes.
Okay. You have to back up on your multiplication timetable such that you know what number times what number is 16, what number times what number is 64, that kind.
Okay.
43. Okay, tank X and tank Y had a total of 48.8 liters of oil. 8.2 liters of oil was poured from tank X to tank Y. After that, both the tanks had the same amount of oil. Okay, how much oil was in tank Y at first? So this question, you need to draw model before and after. Okay, tank X, tank Y. After, I have my tank X and tank Y. Okay, both had same amount of oil, right?
Yeah.
How much oil we don't know. Same amount of oil. Correct.
Yeah.
So 8.2 was poured from tank X to Y.
Okay.
Okay, this is my 8.2. Do you agree?
Yes.
What is poured, no? Poured to Y, right? So this is also my 8.2. Okay, this was poured here lah. So originally Y had this amount.
Okay.
Oh, you understand the drawing?
Yes.
Okay, this amount is how much? I don't know. Okay, let's call this 1 unit.
Okay.
Oh, can you see? So many 8.2 liters.
Yes.
So altogether is 48.8 liters. Okay, altogether is 48.8 liters.
Okay.
You understand my drawing?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
How much oil was in tank Y at first? Okay, this one altogether is 2 units plus 8.2 plus 8.2, right?
Yeah.
Equal to 48.8.
Okay.
So 2 unit plus 16.4 is 48.8. 2 unit is 48.8 minus 16.4. So 48.8 minus 16.4, you have 32.4. 2 unit is
Okay.
32.4. So 1 unit is 32.4 divided by 2. That's equal to 16.2.
Okay.
So originally, tank Y has 16.2. Okay.
Okay.
So the remaining oil in tank X was poured equally into 6 identical containers with no spillover. How much oil was there in each container? So 1 unit is 16.2.
Okay.
So the remaining in tank X, right? You know why 16.2 plus 8.2 are?
Yeah.
Okay. Then divide by 6.
Okay.
24.4 divided by 6. So you have 24.4 divided by 6. 24 divided by 6 is how many?
6 times y equals 24 is 4.
24 divided by 6 is 4.
24 equals 0, then bring down the 4. Then 0, then at the bottom put 0.
40 divided by 6 is 6. 6 times 6, 36. 40 divided by 6 is 6 again. So 4.066.
Okay.
So round off your answer to 1 decimal place, right?
Yeah.
4.1 liters. Okay?
Okay. Can I get a cup of water?
Okay, come back quickly.
Okay.
Okay, question 44. Mr. Park sold fruits at the market. Half of the fruits sold were pineapples. 3/8 of them were mangoes, and the remaining fruits were papaya. There were 24 papayas. How many fruits did he sell? So you have the number of fruits. Okay, divide into 8 units. Half of it is pineapple. Understand now? You understand now? Half of it is pineapple.
Yes.
3/8 is mango. Remaining fruits is papaya. Okay, pineapple, I write pine. Okay, papaya. All right. 24 papayas, right? How many fruits did he sell?
24.
Okay. So how many fruits did he sell? One unit is 24. Do you agree?
Yes.
How many units do I need to find?
8.
8 units. So how many fruits did he sell?
24 times 8.
That's equal to you do the working 24 times 8 and tell me what you get. 24 times 8 equal to
192.
192, very good. So 192 fruits. Okay, he's selling 192 fruits. If for part B, right, if the papayas were sold at 3 for $19, how much did Mr. Park collect from his sale of all the pineapples? So how many pineapples he sell?
Mm,
What's the number of pineapples sold? How to find number of pineapples that he sell?
mm. 4 unit.
Multiply by
Mm,
4 multiply by how
times
many?
times 4.
4 multiply by 4 multiply by how many?
24.
24, because 1 unit is 24.
Okay.
So altogether, he sell 96 pineapples. Okay.
Okay.
Then he says that pineapples are sold at 3 for $19. So number of groups of 3. Oh, you understand why I divide by 3?
Yes.
So 32 groups of 3. So 1 group of 3 is $19, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you understand why 32 times 19 now?
Yes.
Can you do this and tell me what's the answer you get? You tell me the final answer. I see you're correct or not. What do you have? 32 times 19. What's the answer you have?
3488.
Wrong. 32 times 19 will do. Not 3488. 32 times 19 equal to.
Mm,
Let's do this together. Can you tell me how to do this part here?
9 times 2.
Equal to
18.
18. Then here,
9 times 3 equals 27. Plus 1 equals 28.
So where do I write my 28?
On the bottom.
Is it here?
Yeah.
Okay, then after that,
After that, you add a plus sign below. And then 1 times 2 equals 2.
where do I write the 2? Here or here? Is it here?
Yes.
Then after that,
Put 3 also.
what must I write here?
1 times 3. 1 times 3
Yeah, 1 times 3 is what? You have to tell me.
equals 3.
So where do I write the 3? Here or here?
In the first part,
Below the 2, right? Then after that,
add up
then what do I have?
for 8.
8 plus 0 is 8. Then here,
10,
yep. Here.
6,
So what's the answer?
608.
608. Why can't you tell me the correct answer earlier? You know how to times and add. Why can't you tell me the correct answer earlier?
Don't know.
So the answer is 608.
Okay.
Okay, understand?
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
Okay, now you re-attempt all these questions that I just went through with you. So I'm going to stop the recording. So that's all the
Okay.
question, right? Yeah, that's all the question. So now I'm going to stop the recording and you re-attempt this paper again.